You've been dieting for weeks. You're eating clean, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge, and you feel stuck. But what if I told you the most dangerous fat is the fat you can't even pinch? I'm talking about visceral fat. This is the hidden, internal fat that wraps around your vital organs, so releasing harmful substances that can skyrocket your risk for diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe for more. The good news? New research shows we can specifically target and destroy this fat. And in this video, I'm giving you the complete, science-backed, two-step blueprint to not only lose overall body fat for good, but to systematically melt away that dangerous visceral belly fat starting today. Alright, let's bust a myth. The best diet isn't keto, paleo, or intermittent fasting. The only thing these diets do is help you achieve one thing, a calorie deficit. But starvation diets fail. So our first step is counterintuitive. We're going to eat more of the right thing. And that is protein. Protein is your secret weapon. A groundbreaking 2018 meta-analysis from the Journal of Sports Medicine confirmed that a high-protein diet does 3 incredible things. It keeps you feeling full, it boosts your metabolism because your body burns more calories digesting it, and most importantly, it preserves your muscle mass while you lose fat. Protein increases your thermic effect of feeding. You burn more calories just digesting it. So, how much? It's simple. At every meal, fill at least a quarter of your plate with a lean protein source. That's your foundation. Then, fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables. They're high in volume and low in calories. The last quarter, that's for your smart carbs like oats or potatoes, and healthy fats. This balanced plate method crushes cravings and makes fat loss sustainable. But fixing your diet is only half the equation for destroying that deep belly fat. To accelerate the process, we need to activate a powerful fat-burning switch in your body. And we do that with a specific type of exercise. When it comes to visceral fat, how much you exercise is more important than how hard. But we can be strategic. We're going to combine 2 powerful methods. First, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, just 2 to 3 times a week. Why? Studies, like one from the Journal of Obesity, show that HIIT is exceptionally effective at reducing visceral fat. It creates a massive afterburn effect, meaning your metabolism stays elevated for up to 24 hours after you've stopped exercising. Try this. 30 seconds of all-out effort, followed by 90 seconds of easy recovery. Repeat that 8-10 times. That's it. 2 to 3 sessions per week is sufficient when paired with the rest of the plan. Here's an incredible fact. Intense exercise can actually cause your fat cells to release specific signaling molecules that tell your body to burn visceral fat more efficiently for energy. You're literally reprogramming your body to target its most dangerous fat stores. But HIIT is intense, so we can't do it daily. The second part of our combo is your daily mission: walking. A study in the Journal of Hepatology found that individuals who consistently walked more showed significant reductions in liver fat, a key indicator of visceral fat. Aim for at least 8,000 steps a day. It's low impact, reduces the stress hormone cortisol, which is linked to belly fat, and it adds up to a massive calorie burn over the week. So you're eating right, and you're training smart. But if you ignore this final piece of the puzzle, you could be sabotaging all your hard work without even realizing it. Next, the accelerators, the things most people miss. Let's talk about sleep. The University of Chicago conducted a fascinating study. They took 2 groups on the exact same diet. One group got 8.5 hours of sleep, the other got just 5.5. The result? The sleep-deprived group lost 55% less fat and felt significantly hungrier. Lack of sleep wrecks the hormones that control your appetite. Prioritize 7-9 hours a night. It's a non-negotiable for fat loss. Next is stress. Chronic stress spikes a hormone called cortisol. And what does cortisol love to do? It tells your body to store calories as fat, specifically as visceral fat around your abdomen. You don't need a 2-hour yoga class. Just take 2 minutes 3 times a day to focus on deep, slow breathing. It's a scientifically proven way to lower cortisol instantly. And here's a truth bomb about hidden sugars. That healthy yogurt or granola bar, it can be loaded with processed sugars that your liver can directly convert into visceral fat. Always read the label. If sugar is one of the first few ingredients, put it back. Stick to whole, unprocessed foods as the core of your diet. Whole foods keep your liver and visceral fat pathways calm and responsive to your training. Now let's put the whole system together into a simple 30-day blueprint. 1. Build every meal around protein and vegetables. 2. Complete 2 to 3 short HIIT workouts per week, and hit your daily step goal. 3. Make sleep and stress management a priority. That's the blueprint. In 30 days, you won't just see a difference on the scale or in the mirror. You will feel a profound difference in your energy, your mood, and your health. You now have the exact nutritional and training plan to transform your body. But if you're like most people, you're probably still making a few critical mistakes with the actual exercises you're choosing in the gym. Mistakes that are holding back your muscle growth and keeping you from looking truly lean and defined. In my next video, I'll reveal the top 5 exercise mistakes and how to fix them. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Now go apply this, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. May God bless you.